In this video, I'll show you how to add a payment method to Canva first. Open Canva and log into your account. Once you're inside the dashboard, click on your profile icon in the top corner, then go to Settings. From there, select Billing and Plans. Next, look for the section that shows your current plan or billing details. Here, you'll find the option to Add Payment Method or Update Payment Method. Click on it to continue. Now, enter your payment details. Canva usually accepts credit cards, debit cards, and in some regions, other payment options like PayPal. Fill in your card number, expiration date, and security code carefully. After entering your details, click Save or Add Payment Method. Canva will securely store your payment information for future subscriptions or purchases. If you're upgrading to Canva Pro or starting a free trial, your payment method will be used automatically once the trial ends. Once saved, your payment method will appear in your billing settings, and you can update or remove it anytime. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.